How to add money to Cash App from a bank account. If your Cash App balance is sitting at zero and you need to pull funds directly from your bank account to pay someone or cover a bill, you can do it from your phone. So I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to load cash into your digital wallet safely. So first, fire up the Cash App on your mobile device. Instead of staying on the main green payment paid screen, I'll look down at the absolute bottom left corner of your navigation bar. Tap the Money tab. This icon either looks like a small bank or building, or it will display your active dollar balance if you already have money stored in the app. As you can see, this little house or building icon. So this will open your primary financial dashboard where your cash, savings, and card settings live. Look right directly beneath your main account balance graphic and tap the prominent button labeled Add Cash. A configuration menu will slide up from the bottom of your screen, displaying a grid of preset dollar amounts such as $10, $25, or $100. If you want to transfer a specific custom amount, you can just tap on three dots in the bottom corner of the grid and then type the exact number and tap Add. Cash App will now securely ping your linked debit card or bank checking account to request the funds. To authorize the transaction, simply scan your Face ID, Touch ID, or just input your PIN. The interface will flash with a green confirmation checkmark, and your new balance will reflect the deposit. Enjoy your transfers, guys. Enjoy the guide, and thank you for watching.